जाते हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। क्लास 7 चैप्टर 8 द पोएम आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल। Yes, class 7 chapter 8 Archimedes principle. So this poem related to something related to science. Yeah, you know science well, and something that point proves how. Suppose one of the heading given, have you ever thought what makes a heavy ship sail on water but a little pebble sink? क्या बता सकते हो? छोटा सा बालू का टुकड़ा समंदर के अंदर डूब जाता है, लेकिन हजारों हजार किलो टन का जहाज पानी में नहीं डूबता है। बता सकते हो? या दैट इज कॉल्ड साइंस। हैव यू एवर थॉट व्हाट मेक्स ए हेवी शिप सेल? Maybe the tons and tons size ship sail in water, but a small point of pebble or small sand can sink into that ocean. That is related to the science. Okay, do you know, because of science the ship is not going inside the water, the small stone is going inside the water. Yeah, your physics teacher, your science teacher is explaining that. Yeah, so let's see in this story one of the principle means fundamental truth that provides the basic for reasoning. Facts, truth given or the fact. Do you know, science is a subject of facts, fundamental truth that provide the basic of reasoning. Yeah, as we say, science needs the proofs, and without proof science don't accept. So in the way, the Archimedes, one of the person, have the great grand, and according to his study, according to his own understanding, how he proves. Yeah, and it needs experiments. It needs, you know, science needs experiments, and without experiment and without proof science don't accept. Okay, let's start. Students of physics are frequently told of experiments performed by great physicists of old like Boyle and Charles. Were they Boyle or Charles? If you are a student of science, student of physics is the part of science. Okay, frequently told, again, yeah, continuously told the experiments. Do you know experiment to test, to prove by some work performed by great physicists. Do you know physics and physicists? Those who study the physics, they are called physicists. Or those who study the matters, study the things of the earth. Yeah, all the matter. Those who study, they are called physicists. And here, like Boyle, Charles, like Einstein, you know, Albert Einstein, like Stephen Hawking, great scientists are there. They are the physicists, they study the science too much, and here they have their great contribution to the different rules. Like Newton, the science, different person has different types of rule, law, and principle they have given. Yeah, they are a vast subject. So in this poem we shall discuss, but greatest of these, as Boyle has given one principle, Charles has given one principle, but what the principle, now the greatest of these, greatest means more than them, what the whose principle, what the principle discovered by Archimedes. Archimedes' principle was more than that. He is a great scientist. Yeah, he has the brain to prove by some facts. Yeah, that is called science. Okay, so now student, and you should know that in the time of one of the king, this person Archimedes was. You have to know, discuss of the biography or the history of Archimedes. Okay, maybe the Greek story here. Let's see Archimedes here. The time of the Sicilian king. Who was the king? The Sicilian. Sicilian king. And king had ordered. What the king had ordered? Let's see. Archimedes was told. The king had told Archimedes to Archimedes was asked by the Sicilian king. What for asked? Was told, ordered a crown. You know, crown is the राजा का जो मुकुट है, या king's crown, राजा का जो कहते हैं मुकुट. Let's see. King's crown from a large lump of gold. Large lump of gold by the heavy amount of gold. Now king had given large amount of gold and told this Archimedes to make a crown for me. Task. The Sicilian king gave the task to Archimedes to make a crown by the lump of gold. So okay, Archimedes was a scientist and a physicist, but what shall he do? He will go to the goldsmith, because goldsmith makes this gold crown. So now he took this gold to the goldsmith, and though the weight of the gold was completely correct, maybe weight of the gold may 5 kg, imagine, or 3 kg, I don't know the exact. तो जितना भी वजन का क्राउन है, और मैं भी 3 किलो, आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट वेट, जितना भी साइज का क्राउन है. लेट्स सी. Though the weight of the gold was completely correct, क्योंकि जितना सोना उतना में क्राउन बनाना है, कम नहीं की ज़्यादा नहीं. मान लीजिए 3 किलो का है तो क्राउन भी बनेगा तो 3 किलो का ही बनेगा, कम नहीं की ज़्यादा नहीं. जितना सोना उतना सोना का ही क्राउन बनाना है. मेजरमेंट है 3 किलो, एंड he has to go to make the crown of gold in 3 kilo. Let's see. What happened? The goldsmith, the Archimedes ordered this goldsmith to make this crown. Okay. The goldsmith made the king suspect that he had made of the weight with some cheaper metal. Now, here the cheating. Goldsmith cheated. In this crown, he cheated. How did he cheat? Yeah, that he would made of the weight with some cheaper metal. उसमें कुछ cheaper metal. What is cheaper metal? Maybe the silver, maybe the stone, either silver, either stone or bronze. Any metal. Yeah, he mixed. That he had made of the weight with some cheaper metal and stolen some gold. उनमें से कुछ मान 3 किलो का है, 7 किलो सोना चोरी कर लिया, मैंने आधा किलो का कुछ मतलब दूसरा चीज लेके उसमें मिला दिया. Yeah, you should know that according to this matter, all the thing has a different weight. Gold has its weight and the iron has its different weight. मान लीजिए उसी साइज का अगर कुछ अलग चीज लेके मिलाते हैं तो वेट विल बी डिफरेंट. मान लीजिए 3 किलो का सोना में बनाया गया, एक्स्ट्रा आधा किलो लेके दूसरा चीज मिला दिए तो उसके में 1 किलो बढ़ भी सकता है, 4 किलो भी हो सकता है. तो अलग जो चीज मिला के बना रहे हैं तो वेट विल बी डिफरेंट. लेट्स सी. So that he had made the weight with some cheaper metal and stolen some gold. और यहाँ पर this goldsmith cheated and कुछ सोना का चोरी करके ले गया. That his debt be made settled. Yeah, sometimes corruption because of shortage of money, or sometimes you may be more wealthy than people have corruptions. करप्शन तभी होता है लोग अपने लालच में, ग्रीडी कैरेक्टर, आइदर टू मच करप्शंस. आज हिंदुस्तान में कहीं भी मतलब बेईमानी है, मतलब ज़्यादा लालच है कि ज़्यादा पाएंगे तो ज़्यादा ऐशो आराम में जिएंगे. तो यहाँ पर गोल्डस्मिथ का एक तो लालच था कि while he cheated here the goldsmith and stolen some gold, that his debt, उसका कुछ कर्जा था. The goldsmith has some debts. Yeah, then it will be easily clear the dues. He might settle. We like different types of up and downs. कभी मतलब हमको नुकसान में रहना पड़ता है, कुछ सुविधा से लाते हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि जल्दी कर्जा को क्लियर करें, लेकिन पैसा नहीं होने से नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो गोल्डस्मिथ ने बेईमानी करके, by dishonesty, he cheated this crown and settled the depth. His problem was then outstanding. Outstanding, marvelous, immensity. Problem was then outstanding means marvelous. Immensity means the state of being vastness. His problem was too much. Had a great problem, and the king's crown he has to make, and he cheated maybe something, one of the part, and he thought that I will loot something of this gold, and I will add any other metal and other thing in this crown and make this crown, no problem, okay? So his problem was then outstanding immensity, means to be very big in size, as he had no idea whatever of density. Yeah, he has no idea of density. Do you know every metal has different density? Yes, जो साइज का मान लीजिए गोल्ड है, एक साइज का सोन लोहा है, और हम उसको लाएंगे तो डेंसिटी विल बी मोर देन दैट. That is called the physics subject. Yeah, different metal has different density. He had no idea. Who had no idea? This goldsmith had no idea. And who was playing game with? These Archimedes, and Archimedes were the scientists. And if you play with the scientists can easily get the cheating. Yeah. Do you understand? Climbing into a bath, he received a surprise. Now, who was bathing now? Let's see. Archimedes was bathing in the top. Yeah. Climbing into a bath, he received a surprise. वो शायद टॉप में नहाने वाला इंसान था, और शायद वो क्राउन का भी टेस्ट किया है. लेट्स सी. Received a surprise when he noticed the water beginning to rise. Hello. Yes, when he noticed the water beginning to rise. So student, Archimedes climbed into the bath. Yeah, he was bathing, and he was just, as a physicist, as a scientist, he had the idea of density of different things. क्योंकि वो जो जितना नहाता है, जितना पानी में लेवल में, वो पानी उतना में रहता है. लेकिन अगर एक्स्ट्रा डेंसिटी अगर आप पानी में डालोगे, मान लीजिए पानी का जितना डेंसिटी हमको चाहिए उतना में तो ठीक है, लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा कोई चीज़, एक सपोज एक आदमी पानी में नहाता है तो पानी उतना का उतना रहेगा, लेकिन दो जन अगर उस टॉप में घुस जाएंगे, पानी उछल के नीचे गिर जाएगा, तो उसमें पता चलेगा कि डेंसिटी किसका कितना है. या दिस इज साइंस. ओके. क्लाइंबिंग इनटू अ बाथ, ही रिसीव्ड अ सरप्राइज एज ही एंटर्ड द टू बाथिंग व्हेन ही नोटिस्ड द वाटर बिगिनिंग टू राइज. पानी मान लो ये लेवल में रहता है, पानी ऊपर उठ रहा है, मतलब पानी उठ रहा है मानने से कुछ चीज गड़बड़ी है. देयर इज समथिंग ऑड इन ऑड हियर. He suddenly snapped, break out suddenly. Yeah, he suddenly snapped, break out suddenly, and let out a scream. He shouted, "Yeah, something is odd." He knew that. Can you guess that the bathing time? He measured the density of water. That means he had the crown to measure. Yeah, what should be the density? Let's see. He suddenly snapped and let out a scream, and he realized with joy his long wished for dream. Now, he knew that by bathing, he knew that I can calculate the density. He had got the principle and idea that कोई भी चीज को हम रखते हैं, मान लीजिए 3 किलो का सोना है, तो उसका डेंसिटी जितना होगा, तो 4 किलो का कोई चीज है तो उसका डेंसिटी अलग होगा. उसका मेजरमेंट वो मिला, तो आई मीन दैट कि जब सोना बनाने से पहले आई थिंक जरूर उस सोना को पानी में मेजर किया होगा. मान लीजिए सोने को अगर टॉप में रखा है तो उसका डेंसिटी से हिसाब मान लीजिए सोना क्राउन यहाँ रखने के बाद सोना पानी का लेवल अगर इतना आ रहा है तो इससे मेजरमेंट होगा, वन टाइप ऑफ स्केल. क्योंकि उस टाइम में कोई वजन करने का मशीन नहीं था, क्यों आज जैसे कि वेट मशीन है, उसमें पता चल जाता है कि वजन किसका कितना है. लेकिन उस टाइम में था, लेकिन डेंसिटी से पता चलता है. लेकिन उसमें कुछ मिला लेके सोना को ले आए हैं, डेंसिटी जो यहाँ से इतना बढ़ गया है, तो इसमें पता चल जाएगा कि इसमें कुछ मिलावट है. आर यू क्लियर माई वर्ड्स? सो नाउ, so he got one of the principle that in this principle he got some measurement. And how he got? He found the thrust produced by the body's base. Yes, body's base. He found the thrust means something of water force to be equal in weight to the water displayed. Yeah, and to be equal in weight in water displayed means in water we can make the equal weight. We can measure the weight. Yeah, you can measure the weight. What maybe its weight, and shown volumes and weight would make it quite plain. वॉल्यूम एंड वेट, इसका वजन कितना है और पानी का लेवल है, वो प्लेनली व्हाट क्वाइट प्लेन, इट विल मेक प्लेन. स्टूडेंट, सो he got some principle, got some proofs. So then after he proved what various metals the crown could contain. Yeah, so here he could understand that here the crown is mixed some extra material in this gold crown, in this principle of this top bathing. He get some information and what various metals the crown could contain. या कि क्राउन में क्या मेटल डाला गया है उस वाटर लेवल की जो स्टडी में वो पता चल सकता है. So he could easily show to his royalty the absolute proof of the goldsmith this royalty. Now he proved that in this water level counting, in the study of his principle, he proved that the goldsmith had cheated the king by removing part of the gold and mixed with another metal in this crown, and that's why he got some information, got some proof. Yeah, do you know science is something of proofs? The absolute proof means the true. You cannot avoid fact. Yeah, absolute proof means facts. Or the goldsmith disloyalty. Because any proof that we can claim, leaping out of the bath at remarkable rate. Now, in the bathstroke he jumped out and knew that. What he knew? That I knew the mystery. Yeah, I'll go and complain to the king that goldsmith is a cheater. He had taken the part of the gold. Let's see. Leaping out of the bath at remarkable rate, he made for the palace by doorway and gate. Now, palace के doorway तक दौड़ते हुए चले गया. But the men in the street were completely confounded. Now, everybody saw this Archimedes was running towards the king's palace. But what happened? To see a naked man means he did not think about his dress, did not think that he was wearing or not. Yeah, he forgot about his dress and just ran towards the king's palace. And people saw him. Yeah, a naked man shouted, "Eureka! I have found it." The word Eureka means a cry of joy or satisfaction when one finds or discovers something. Yeah, a cry of joy or satisfaction when one finds or discovers something. Now, you are too much excited that I discovered that this gold is mixed with some other metal. I have got this discovery. He anxiously ran towards the king's palace and told that I have found it. I have found the solution, but he did not know that he was in the good condition or not. And in this way, in this chapter, we saw that the poem speaks about how principle of Archimedes, as Archimedes used the technique of science, and because of his good formula of science, he could catch the thief or the person who stole the things. And I hope that this lesson is a very good lesson to catch the topic. And I hope that whatever I have explained this poem, you have understood and study well. And repeat it, read the poem again and again and practice it and learn the exercise. And have a good day. We will all see you again. Okay, goodbye.